Hello friends, and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment. Well, in this video we'll see how to restore deleted contacts on your Android phone. So let us go to the mobile and see how to do that. To restore contacts, I'll straight away tell you how to do that. If you think that some contacts have been deleted from your phone, then you can directly go to your settings. Once you go to your settings, straight away go to your Google services and preference. Here you can see there's something called setup and restore. Just click here, and here the button you see, that is called restore contacts. So once I press this, you can see there is an account. If you have multiple accounts, choose the Gmail account from which you want to restore the contact, to restore all contacts, and your Google contacts automatically sync to your devices. So it will show all the devices that are logged in through this email ID and where the contacts are being backed up. So it's showing me something called Galaxy Tab A and tap to restore, or you can go for this current device and tap to restore. So if I press current device, it will, for example, if I press this, then it will ask for my screen lock and all my contact will be restored. So friends, that's it in this video. I hope you knew how to restore your contacts if your contacts are deleted. So just follow the steps that I have said you just now. Go to your Google account, then setup, then restore your contacts, and it will ask for your screen lock if it is there, and once you give your screen lock, your contacts will be restored. So friends, that's it. I hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and please don't forget to share this video across various platforms so that many people come to know of this very useful feature on how to restore contacts on your Android phone. And please do subscribe to this channel Infotainment to get more of such little technical videos to make your digital life simpler and easier. So till our next video, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.